In this video, I'm going to show you how to cook a lamb rack, which will be reverse searing, and I'll also show you how to make a mint mustard chimichurri to go with it. Now to get started, we're going to set our barbecue up. We're going to be using the new Bronco 2.0 from Oklahoma Joe's. So we'll open our fire access door, swing our charcoal basket out, then I'll fill that up around halfway with some briquettes, then I'll bury a fire lighter in there, light it up, and push our charcoal basket back in. And we'll open up both of our vents. So while our briquettes are catching light, we're going to prepare our beautiful lamb rack, which we've picked up from Thomas Farms. So we're just going to take it out of its packaging, and I can see that this one doesn't need any trimming at all. They've already taken that fat cap off and trimmed it up nicely. So what I'll do now is just lightly score the top of our lamb rack in a crisscross pattern, which will just help a little bit with some flavor penetration. Then after that, I'm just going to get it seasoned up in some of our lamb layup rub. Then once your briquettes have caught light and are burning nicely, you can shut your fire access door, and now we're going to bring our barbecue up to temperature, which for this cook, I want to be at around 275 Fahrenheit or 135 Celsius. And now we're up to temperature, I'm going to open our fire access door back up to get some smoking wood on. I'm just using a nice little chunk of cherry wood. Then we'll close it back up, open our lid, and get our lamb rack on meat side down just to help render some of that fat and crisp it up. Then with our lamb rack, I want to serve this at around a medium doneness, so we're going to let that go until it reaches an internal temperature of around 55 degrees Celsius or 130 Fahrenheit. I reckon that's going to take 45 to 60 minutes to get there, so while that's happening, let's make our chimichurri. Alright, so into a bowl we're going to add 2 tablespoons of flat leaf parsley, a tablespoon of mint, half a red chilli, and 2 cloves of garlic which have all been finely chopped. Then we'll add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, a tablespoon of red wine vinegar, the juice from half a lemon, a teaspoon of whole grain mustard, and then a good pinch of salt and pepper. Then give it a good mix, have a taste, adjust it to your liking, and then we can set that aside until our lamb's ready. Alright, and after almost an hour, I reckon we are done. We've just crept over and we're at about 56.5 degrees Celsius. But that is looking fantastic, so we'll get it out and we'll let that rest on some foil for 10 to 15 minutes. Then while our lamb rack's resting, we're going to set our Bronco up to finish it off with a sear. So I'll take the cooking grate off, open our fire access door, take our charcoal basket out, sit it on top of our heat deflector, and then I'll get the cooking grate back on top. Alright, and before we finish our lamb off, I'm just going to drop our cooking grate down to the second level to get it closer to the fire for a better sear, and then we'll sear our lamb off for around a minute on each side. Alright, because it's already had a rest, once it's seared we can take it straight out and slice it straight up. And as you can see, juicy, perfect, medium doneness. So tender as well. And I love that chimichurri with it too. So there you have it. There's how to reverse sear a lamb rack. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos. But for now, that's the end of the video. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.